You just gotta try it out.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
Can you hold that?
What's wrong with your arm? Broken?
My pinky is, so be careful.
Got it. And there's marijuana residue.
Is that a white thing? That's a minor.
On March 25th, 2024, a shoplifting suspect in Palm Coast, Florida, deputies investigated 30-year-old Amber McCann, who was accused of stealing over $1,000 in merchandise.
We're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a
Car, put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, would you come over by the car with us?
Whose car is it?
What do you mean?
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Okay. Alright. So where's all your stuff you took out of the store and
I just put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because y'all was coming.
Okay, so you just put all the stuff in a random car you didn't know?
Yeah, it's a game I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for?
Just for the hell of it.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
No. I left it in the car.
Which car?
The random car. I don't know what car it was.
When found, she claimed it was all part of a game, a statement that would expose a much larger criminal operation.
My whole bag. All my
Alright, makes sense.
What kind of bag do you have? What kind of
I
purse
think
is it?
it's a Michael Kors. Can you please not stand behind me? Because you're making me nervous.
To the whole time.
You were?
Yeah, he's in the car.
The whole
Well, I'll
time.
be damned. What was your question?
What kind of purse did you have?
It's a Michael Kors purse. Can you go get it for me?
Okay.
What kind of vehicle were you
It's
driving?
like gray or silver or something.
What kind of make, model?
I don't know.
You have no idea what kind of car you were
No,
driving?
because y'all were coming and I just ran up to the car and put it on. It's a game that we play. It's called 21. It's basically like you go and steal all the you can steal and then you get out without getting caught.
So
well, I did it one other time than this time, but I got caught this time. So now I got to figure out where my purse is and where my merchandise is because now I got to give all the merchandise back to Walmart.
Well, it's not really a game. But
It is a game.
It's theft.
to you, that's theft, though, in the state of Florida.
It's fun too. It's really fun.
Oh, going to jail is fun. Okay.
Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Well, we'll see how much stuff you took.
It's a lot of
So where's the car at?
I don't know.
Okay.
What's your name?
It's Amber.
Okay.
McCann told authorities she was playing a game where she would grab as much merchandise as she could and try not to get caught.
It's just some random person's
It's just a
car.
random car. Yeah, like if you walk up to this car.
Okay, how about
and
we
you,
don't know?
You feel me? It's gonna
No,
be
I
open or
don't.
it's gonna be closed. You never
All right.
know. You just gotta try it out.
Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
Can you hold that?
Be kind enough.
What's wrong with your arm? Broken?
My pinky is, so be careful. Oh wait a second.
Alright, we'll get that. We'll get that.
We'll get
that.
stop.
Do you have any leg shackles?
I do.
No, I don't need leg shackles.
Hey, I have a hobble. You do?
Actually, I have flex.
I was just trying to grab my phone.
You want flex?
We can do flex.
Yeah.
You're gonna put me in shackles? Are you serious?
So
Well, you have
got
a cast on your arm.
Exactly.
Regular
and I got
handcuffs.
scraped up knees too.
No one said
Okay.
they're going on your feet.
So what are y'all putting shackles on me for?
You got a cast on your arm.
Oh.
It's too big for regular handcuffs.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Flex cuffs.
So, just gonna stick these back here. Alright, is it not too tight for you?
No, it's okay.
Alright, let's go. You got anything on you?
Is that my phone that just rang?
No, that was. No, you're not under arrest right now. Be secure until we start their investigation.
Do you have anything else on you?
Like on you and you.
I got my
like that.
vape.
Do you have anything that, say you do go to jail, that if you go into the jail and they find it on you later, is there anything like that?
No, a tampon that needs to be changed. You just
Okay.
asked me that question.
Well, you
How many
keep
times
that.
you gotta ask the same question?
Alright, you said your name was Amber?
Yes. Last name is McCann.
McCann?
Yeah.
Two C's?
Yes.
Alright, can you spell it?
MCCANN.
You got a middle name, Amber?
D.
D?
Yeah.
Alright, what's your birthday, dude?
1-4.
Okay, where are you out of? Florida?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to have you go ahead and spread your feet for me.
You live around here, Amber?
No, I do come out here sometimes though.
You don't live in Palm Coast at all? Okay. Those are my gloves.
Alright, you're not under arrest right now. You're being detained. Alright?
Alright. Hey, can y'all turn the air? Can you turn the air on?
Yeah. Turn the air on.
I'll try.
Yeah, she's gonna get that for you.
Thank you.
So you have a Michael Kors purse,
Yes.
and it's in the car.
Yeah, all my in the car.
Okay. What else is yours?
Can I tell you something though? I didn't mean to lie to you at first, but it's my boyfriend's car.
It's your
but my
boyfriend's
boyfriend
car?
doesn't know that I steal.
Okay.
And he doesn't know that I put all this in the car neither.
Okay.
So I would be really in trouble with him, but that's the
So
thing.
what kind of car is it?
I don't remember because it's a rental.
What color?
We just got the rental car. What
I
color?
thought you said it was someone random's car.
Yeah, I know. I lied to you.
Her story quickly changed after deputies found the stolen items in her boyfriend's rental car.
Before we go any further, okay?
She's just gonna
you
read
have
you
the right to
something, okay?
remain silent.
Okay, blah 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 blah.
Well,
blah.
we still have to
get
read it
through.
before
Okay,
we
go
can
ahead.
talk to you.
It's like music to my ears.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you
Okay,
while
blah,
you are
blah,
being
blah,
questioned.
blah, blah, blah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yeah.
Okay. You said yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. So anyway, that's done. Like I was saying, yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He rented the car, and he was shopping, and I had found all the that I wanted because they told me to play 21, and my boyfriend's older than me, so he doesn't play that. And I started playing the game. This is my first time playing the game, and I put in the back of the car, and I saw you guys coming, so I walked off. My boyfriend knows nothing about it. I don't even know where he's at.
So he's here with you now?
Yeah. If I could call him, can I call him? Can I call him?
What's his name, real quick?
Matt.
Matt what?
Campbell.
Campbell?
Yeah.
Just like the soup?
Yeah.
Is it Matthew?
You call him Matt.
Like
mean,
his full legal name?
What's his birth name? Matthew?
Yeah. Can you put him on there? I got it. But, yeah, he doesn't know anything about it.
No, stay in there.
Nope, I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. My knee's scraped up.
What's
so
his
it's hurt.
birthday?
I don't know. Maybe gotta ask him.
How old is he?
He is 35.
You know his number off the top of your head?
No, it's in my phone, though. Can I call him?
Not right now.
Well, because I need to tell him I got in trouble.
Well, we'll worry about that in a second. But right now, I need to figure out how much dollar value you stole from Walmart.
Probably a lot, because I took a lot of
Okay.
So basically, you got to put everything in the cart and ring it up and find out the value of it. And
Yep.
then what's the next move?
And then depending on the dollar amount, is if you go to jail or not.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to jail because it's a lot of
Okay.
So what happens after that?
Well, if you're over that dollar amount for felony, then you will go to jail for felony amount of shoplifting. All right? You'll
Okay.
be booked in a Flagler County inmate facility.
Okay.
And then whatever you do from there, bond out, whatever, it's up to you.
All right, can I please call my boyfriend?
Not right now.
Okay, can I talk to the other officer?
To Deputy Sanford,
Sure.
What's that?
she wants to call her boyfriend, and I said no.
Can I ask why?
Because right now we're conducting an active investigation.
What
I'm
is the
still
investigation?
speaking-
I just told you.
I still have to confirm everything.
He doesn't know that I stole it.
Okay.
So he's going to get the car and be like, what the is this shit?
Well, we're with the car right now. There's
Y'all are?
Yeah.
What car is it? It's a rental. I don't remember what car it was.
Okay. Well, we know what
All right,
what
but
it
yeah,
is.
can you turn the AC on?
I will. I rolled the window down
All
for
right.
you.
All right, bet.
Just with all this plastic, it's hard sometimes to get air back
Yes.
in.
Yeah, I'm just more worried about getting in trouble with him than you guys. And I should have took all that but I did it anyway.
That's interesting.
Yep.
Interesting.
Did you spin it? Don't spin it. Okay, so it's on the number to open it.
It's not. I checked.
Pipe. Glass
Nice.
pipes.
Oh, nice.
And then, if I had to guess,
Grinder.
no,
Okay.
we got white crystals.
Hey.
We got white crystals, bubble pipe, and a safe. I'm
on.
muted. I'm muted, so we're good.
So
All right, signal 0 right
we
out
need
the
to find
gate.
Matthew Campbell now.
And there's a baggie underneath there.
Got it. And there's marijuana residue.
Yes.
Is that a white safe? That's a lighter.
Looks nice. All right. Fun box. Oh, we got white powder, everybody.
All right, we'll keep it away from your face
What do you mean?
so you don't
You
sniff
don't
it.
inhale it?
Yep.
Kind of.
Yep.
Yeah, it's ridicule.
If I was a betting woman, Ruza Vidalin, we're gonna have to do pill ID just to verify.
Yeah, I mean they look.
They look like what the bottle is describing.
Marijuana residue.
Yeah. Is that marijuana? We also got white powder. Watch your nose.
Hot powder.
But we got white powder. I got some of the.
More powder. Just powder.
I got some of the swab.
Matthew Campbell does it on
Chances are, though, if there's baggies like this,
Intent.
we got more pills. Oh, shoot.
Here, we'll flip it up.
Yeah.
It's a negative on that. That's
Do you have the swabs in your test kit?
cocaine.
Yeah.
Yes.
If not, I mean, either way. I don't know if that...
Needles. I think we might have some.
Oh.
Who's got a These are or a screwdriver?
I got just a knife.
These right here, 30, 40 bucks a piece. The flavor. 25, 30 bucks a piece. If they're real.
Deputies searched the vehicle and found marijuana and drug paraphernalia. Inside a locked bag, they discovered a crystal substance that tested positive for methamphetamine and alprazolam tablets. In total, officers recovered 62 grams of meth from the vehicle. They also found a locked safe containing various silver and platinum bars.
Right your car. Stick in the window.
Oh. There's a hobble in my front seat. Alright, well, it's not Coke. Is that blue?
Hey, she has blood sugar issues?
No. She got all sorts of problems.
They all started when she got arrested.
That's wild.
Here we go.
SMD.
It's gonna be trafficking probably.
I have a scale in the car.
So does she.
It's not cocaine, so I'm gonna guarantee it's meth.
Oh,
It's like everything else.
Oh,
Ooh, you're good, good.
take that in a second. White powder? We got
A lot of white powder.
crystal and probably
Oh,
more crystal.
wow.
1,098.
1,098?
Yeah.
That would be meth as well.
That's that?
Yeah. Marquis is meth too. Or ecstasy.
You got a problem back there?
Yeah, I'm uncomfortable.
Okay.
Can you please take these off of me?
I cannot.
Okay, can you readjust them?
I can't. They're one-time use.
Well, can you put a different one on then? Because my it's cutting my circulation up. I have blood clots. You're not understanding.
Put your knees that way.
Okay, but it's my blood circulation is going off.
Ma'am, I'm checking them for you. If you
Oh.
scoot your knees that way, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, do me. Use just
It's
your pinky,
hurting really
correct?
bad.
There you go. All right.
And what do I do if I have to use the bathroom?
You're good. All right, I readjusted them
Thank
for
you so much. I have to use the bathroom.
Okay,
Like really bad.
Let us finish doing what we got to do. We're
And
gonna.
then we'll get you one. Okay? Just when it starts feeling uncomfortable, move around. You got the whole back seat. But if you kick this and break this, this is going to be another charge.
All right.
We need a better place to test all of this because we got.
We can take that to the station. Just put it.
I was
Get
gonna
your
say
bag.
that either way, yeah.
And just get your bag.
Do you have a waffle?
Hey, man. So I just want to ask you a quick question, okay? And you can decide how to answer it however you want, okay? There's a pretty decent amount of crystal meth and other narcotics in the car, okay?
I told the
Now-
other officer I don't know anything about it.
Okay. Well, I was just giving you an opportunity. We do have narcotics detectives that can talk to you. You might be able to better your situation with the state. If you want to talk to them,
I don't know
can call
anything
one out.
about it.
Okay. Thank you.
Just give me a trafficking note.
I gave her the opportunity to talk to the detective. She said she has one.
I can't even afford this stuff. Platinum.
All right, this is a lot.
Hang on, there's more.
Photograph this stuff, send it to RTCC, and see if they can run it and see if there's been any recent deaths.
Okay. You want me to? I'll get a picture of it in here and lay
take
it all out.
Hey, before we start moving stuff, did we photograph everything?
I can start doing that.
We need to photograph everything in place.
There's one in my car.
Where's your car at? Oh, all right.
Hey, this is really jerking on my arm.
Okay. You should have done what you did.
What? What did I do?
You wouldn't be in the back of a cop car if you didn't take all
can I at
this
least
stuff.
stretch for a second?
Yeah, we're gonna go over to my car.
My boyfriend said that came out, like, it's really hurting my arm. It's jerking my arm.
So where's he at?
I don't know. Probably shopping.
So we've been out here for like an hour. He hasn't come
Oh my
or a
God.
call or anything.
I don't have my phone. Can I have my phone?
No.
Can y'all loosen these?
I told you I can't.
I just adjusted
Okay,
it,
can I just
man.
stretch for a second?
Yeah. You got a couple of seconds. Then we gotta get you out
It
of here.
just really hurts and it's like cutting off my circulation because of my pinky.
So turn your hand
Where?
There you
like
go.
that.
But it's still hurting my arm.
Okay, there's nothing I can do about it.
Can y'all just take me to the thing then? Take me
where
to
we're
jail?
going.
Awesome.
Where do you live?
I live in Sanford.
You live in Sanford?
Yeah, I was in a hotel.
So, is it your boyfriend who lives here, or you guys just roll through?
He used to work out here. He just got fired. So we had a hotel room.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So he came to shop. We came to shop, but they told me to play a game. T told me to play a game.
who's that?
My demon.
Okay.
So he told me to play a game called 21, and I played it, and then I got caught.
Okay.
I have psychological problems. Like I have mental issues, like bipolar, anxiety, depression, all that, and schizophrenia.
McCann was charged with grand theft, possession, and trafficking of methamphetamine. This case shows how a routine theft investigation can quickly escalate when suspects are found to be involved in more serious crimes.